Hi guys, welcome to MX Breakz with me, the AfroGirl, where I give you all the updates in the world of lifestyle and entertainment in Ghana and across the world. Now let's jump right into our very first story. Sonny Badu has expressed his intentions to work with Ghanaian dancehall acts Stonebwoy and Shatawale on an upcoming project. Wow. In a recent interview, he disclosed his admiration for both talents and their contributions to the Ghana music industry, stating that he would love to work with them. And honestly, I would like to listen to a record like this. Then again, personally, I don't get why some Christians have issues with, gospel acts collaborating with secular musicians. Don't you think that secular acts believe in God? Again, is it not like judging? Are you not judging them? But take, for example, Tasha Cobb's collab with Nicki Minaj. It was a great song and everything, but some Christians were foaming at their mouth because of this. And to be honest, it never made sense to me. But I would love to listen to a record like this. Let me know what you think. Now, moving on, renowned music producer and sound engineer and the CEO of highly spiritual record label Kewa has shared that he has chosen to leave his former label signees in the hands of God after they abandoned him despite the significant investment in their careers, which helped them make themselves household names. Artists like Kel Songs, Yalbek, Cry Me, Keche, and others were once signed to highly spiritual record label. Recently, musicians Last Made and Mr. Drew also parted ways with the label. Kewa also addressed the challenges of signing artists, with poaching being the most significant problem. He appealed to poachers to work with the original record labels instead of approaching artists through, backdoor channels and trying to convince them to leave. To be honest, that's not nice. But again, before anything, I want you to think about it. Why is everybody leaving? There must be something going on. There must be something there's a reason why every time, I say, Obia, everybody's leaving you. Why is that? I think Kewa should also take a step back and then, reevaluate everything. But again, moving on, we are going into the world of movies. Warner Bros. Pictures has unveiled the highly anticipated final trailer for Blue Beetle, the forthcoming film that introduces the DC superhero to screens. And of course, we have that final trailer, so let's check it out.
Did you know what was going to happen to my brother when you stuck him with this world-destroying thing? It's called the Scarab. I had no idea it would activate. It has to choose you.
So how do we get it to unchoose me?
Host acquired.
Who said that?
Systems tracking 3, 2.
Uptown, baby. I was down, but they see I'm uptown, baby.
Host overreacting.
Overreacting? You kidnapped me!
When I hit you with that, you know.
Threat approaching. Engaging host protection.
You get like a judo, and when we get in mode, I'ma dog it like I'm Cujo.
Threat eliminated.
Sorry about that!
They tryna steal away, cut it out, cut it out.
What do you think the government is going to do when they figure out that some kid has this military tech?
Bust it down, bust it down.
We are going to change the world with the power of the Scarab.
And that is Blue Beetle. Guys, I don't care what anybody says. I like the movie. I like the trailer. I like everything about it. I like all the tolis that are inside. I don't know. Let me know what you think in the comment section. But it's coming out on August 17th. And that's about it for MX Breakz with me, the AfroGirl, for everything entertainment and lifestyle. We got you. Follow us on all our social media platforms at MX24GH. I'm out.